How's it going, Virtual History 360? I'm Mr. Wade, and this is a special day, a special video. You see, this is a sneak peek because we, here at Westside, we are burying a time capsule. This is the 250th anniversary of America's Declaration of Independence, right? The 250th America celebration. So what better way to celebrate than let's bury a time capsule for the next 50 years that's going to open up in the 300th, or on the 300th anniversary. In May of 2076, we will be coming back here to Westside. Now, I'm not going to show you the whole ceremony. This is where it's going to take place in about 30 minutes. We have the box right there. We got a lot of stuff that's put in there, letters and trinkets, some mementos, and here's the deal. You are invited to come back. I'm going to record the ceremony, and it is going to be published in May of 2076. Get it? Right before it opens up. Hopefully YouTube is still around and we can watch it together. Hopefully I'll still be around, right? So be on the lookout. Make sure you subscribe to Virtual History so that you can be alerted when this video goes live in 50 years. But again, a sneak peek. We're burying our time capsule. We're having a ceremony. It's America's 250th. Let's have a great day. I'll see you guys in 50 years.